didn't expect to fall in love, but I did. As soon as I got behind the wheel, it was like, wow. It's like that with a Jag. I only had it a couple of days when somebody parked next to me, slammed his door into mine. Brand new, and I got this big ugly ding right on my door, right here. I was heartbroken, but the Warren Henry Advantage had me covered. A whole year's worth of complimentary dent repair so I could get fixed up good as new by their awesome service team. And the best part is, I don't have to be afraid to drive this baby. I can let her roar. Now that's what I call an advantage.